Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make animated text by using keyframes on VN video editor. So here I've already added a video to my VN editor page, and then what you guys need to do next if you're done adding a video is click on the text icon, and here just type in the text that you want, and you can also choose the default settings in your in VN. For example, I want to use okay, this one's right here, and then you can just input title in here. For example, animated text, like that, and just resize it and put it at the middle of your video, like that. Okay, so here is the text that I added, and then what you need to do next is go to the beginning part of your video, this one's right here, and then oops, I'm going to okay, and then here click on the text and click on add keyframe, and then move forward here, for example, and then add some movement to your text. For example, I want to make it big. Oops. Okay, I'm going to go like that, and then you'll see there is some movement there. And then next, add another keyframe. Here I've already added another keyframe, and then move forward again, for example in this one, and then okay, in this part, and then add another movement to your text, for example this one right here. Okay, and another keyframe like that, and here is the final result of your animated text. Okay, so you can just adjust the duration if you want, but if it's just a title, I suggest you just use like 3 seconds or 2 or 3 seconds long, like that. Okay guys, so that is how you can use keyframes to make animated text on VN video editor. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to our channel. See you at the next tutorial. Bye.